Babylon Group has always worked with a vision to steadily move forward. The company, as of today, is regarded highly as a brand of quality in RMG industry on an international scale. Alongside its sheer dedication to producing quality garment products, Babylon is resolute to ensure a group of happy employees by providing them with all types of appropriate facilities in the workplace. Two types of scholarship programs. One is for the poor but meritorious students of the country, and the other is exclusively for children of workers for supporting their higher secondary level education. Support for a library at Tetulzhara High School nearby one of Babylon's factory premises. Educational assistance is made available for workers' children as and when required. Publication of an annual magazine, Babylon Kothakotha, since 2006, is a compilation of write-ups of employees and workers. Grameen Babylon Products, a joint venture social business initiative with Grameen Fabrics and Fashions, is approved by Nobel laureate Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus. This initiative produces quality sanitary napkins under the brand name Softy. These products are made available to women workers in Babylon and other women at a very affordable price.
বাইরে ন্যাপকিন কিনতে গেলে 60 টাকা লাগে, আমরা এখানে 30 টাকায় পাচ্ছি। সবটি ব্যবহারের পর থেকে আমাদের এখন আর অ্যাবসেন্ট করতে হয় না।
Babylon Group, a diversified business conglomerate with around 12,000 members and 17 companies, specializes in RMG manufacturing and is supported by related business units on a fully compliant factory premise on its own land. A software company of this group is offering different IT solutions to the RMG sector. The ERP solution remains its core product. Babylon Group has a scientific agricultural venture which has been making available seeds, pesticides, livestock and fisheries products, technologies, and various other services for the farmers in Bangladesh. Babylon offers almost all RMG solutions under one roof. In-house washing, embroidery, printing, packaging, and trims manufacturing units as value additions. Backward integration into knitting, dyeing, as well as finishing of knitted fabrics. A one-stop buying solution for apparel needs. Babylon has its own design shop, Watford Design Studio, which has started its journey in 2017 in UK at the fashion capital of the world, London, and has great connections to the Midlands and North. The studio presents our design and developments to the customers. It works as a bridge between customers and our group, keeping the fashion trend and customer demand in mind. Trends, a unit for meeting demand for fashion apparel in the local market. Own customs and freight handling. Own transportation facilities for export and import between factories and the inland ports. Professionally skilled team of fashion designers. Corporate visionaries. Mr. Nesar Ahmed, Mr. Emdadul Islam, Mr. Moinul Ahsan, Mr. Abidur Rahman, Mr. Abdus Salam are the luminaries who, with their professional, technical, and business acumen, have taken Babylon Group to newer heights. Babylon Group's constant efforts are towards greening its production facilities through efficient waste management through recycling, reusing, etc. Efficient wastewater management through modern ETP. Efficient energy uses through usage of energy-saving tools technology. All future manufacturing buildings will be green buildings. Babylon has made available structural safety, fire safety, and electrical safety as per guidelines of Accord and Alliance. Babylon has elected active workers' participatory committees in each unit as applicable. We are confident that you will continue your journey with us towards a green and ethical supply chain. You can keep in touch with us here